She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick dessert that'll be tasty just in time for the holidays coming up. It's a wonderful fall recipe. We're going to go ahead and make a twist on the pumpkin pie by making a Dulce de Leche pumpkin pie. So as you can see, we're going to use some Dulce de Leche along with some delicious pumpkin flavors, and we're going to turn that into a wonderful pumpkin pie. Pumpkin anything is a great indicator for fall, so I definitely hope that you give this recipe a try and add a little twist to your traditional pumpkin pie. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try this Dulce de Leche pumpkin pie. The flavors are phenomenal with the pumpkin pie, and that Dulce de Leche, which is a caramel flavoring, adds a nice little twist to your next pumpkin pie. Definitely recommend you guys give it a try. The flavor is unbelievable. Well, hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy pumpkin pie. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.